Okay, so I want to walk you through some things to check if your Roku device is not playing audio for whatever reason. So first thing we're going to check, obviously, is the remote. We want to see if it is actually turned up. I know, super simple, but it happens from time to time, and we don't judge here. So just make sure that the volume is plugged or turned up. The next thing that's going to fix the issue 95% of the time is just to reset it. And unfortunately, it's these different streaming apps have some issues. Once you leave them, that Roku loses the audio for whatever reason. So we just need to either turn off or unplug the Roku device, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds and plug it back in. Or we can go into the settings here and then go down to system, and I believe power. Yeah, and then we can do a system restart. Now, you don't want to do a factory reset because that's going to erase everything, all your logins, all your apps. So we don't want to do that. But this restart should fix the issue. Now, another thing that we're going to check is if you have Bluetooth, make sure that there's no Bluetooth devices connected. I don't think my Roku has Bluetooth here, but I do have the audio where I can come over here and click the digital output format, and it's defaulted to auto. I was reading that if you switch this to stereo, sometimes this helps with the audio cutting out issues. So those are the things I would check. I hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.